Guys, where are we going during this lesson break? I want to be cooling more. Let's go to the beach and stay in the pool.
That's okay, but don't go too far. Riding a motorbike for too long is heavy. Don't worry, let's focus on the beach. It's fast and beautiful. The beach is still quick.
Oi Chanu, kita dah tak right. Can't in guys. In meeting, trying to go out. Can I join to spot?
A great location is perfect, and yes, Jason, the more is the merrier. We'll have a small picnic here, okay? I'll bring bread and drinks, but I'm not doing the food, okay?
Don't worry about this. I bring some snack and extra much for us to sit down. I'm so happy for this.
Okay, just bring something simple. Let Shakti and I take care of the device. For transportation, we will bring 3 motor bags. The 5 of live together, living together. It's the most
Okay, now it's this matter of time. How about Saturday at 7 in the morning?
7 o'clock is good. So we can get there before it gets crowded and hot.
7 is perfect. I'll be ready before the sun is out. I don't want to miss a single song.
Agree. No one can be late. Remember 7 o'clock appointment means the bike must be running. Saturday at 7 o'clock and this I have had the night early as soon as possible.
Great, our trip will be fun. See you guys in sana.
Yeah.
Bye.